I got Demar right there. There go G right there. And I gotta do it live. They know me and record. Okay, here we go. Switch. 1, 2, 3,
got it? It came up.
4, 5. Okay, that's all 5 switches.
Yeah, I was trying to.
What you do different, man? Something different. Who did the dash?
Yeah, Greg did the dash and these right here. The side panels. Look.
He did a hell of
Greg
a job on
Hines,
this shit.
didn't he? Greg's look at the dash too.
No, he did a hell of a job.
Remember
on that.
last time, remember it had the little, remember it didn't wrap right? Oh no. Okay, so hold on.
Is that 3-6 locking?
Nah, hold on, we got the
He did a hell
Bluetooth.
of a job painting that. And I was
Ready,
gonna
babe?
take that shit off. You showed us my fault. I kicked off.
Okay.
Take that shit off.
Huh?
He said pause it. Pause it.
Okay.
What y'all doing?
Now we on the Bluetooth. Yeah, she gonna play it from her phone.
Oh, that's that.
While I record.
2017 shit, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Hey, we know we keep it live, G.
Space age, huh? Yeah. Bluetooth. We ain't gotta put no.
Open
CDs
door to
in
mine.
no more. So the days of remember.
And I'm gonna start letting y'all control your own bass.
Hey, you remember they lick your CD there, wiping your shirt 5 times, shit, so it won't skip and shit.
this shit.
So them days over with.
So now look, right here,
Which one?
3-6 Mafia late night.
Peewee,
Not that.
turn it to the right is all you gotta do.
I want
All right? Turn it to the right. Here, let me get up out of here. Hold on.
Chris, please play the 3-6 Mafia.
But I realized.
Yeah, you control the bass, G. Turn it to the right is all you gotta do. Upside down, though.
All right.
And turn it to the right, the game.
What's it
I'm gonna let y'all
called?
do it
Late night
yourself.
tip.
Yeah, late night tip. Yeah.
This they song, they won't. So Krista gonna Bluetooth it while I record. So while we recording. Yeah, Peewee. Hey, didn't Greg snap?
Man.
Why isn't it going through here?
You gotta make sure it's connected on there.
Said it.
Remember-
That's it right there. I can't. Where's that dome?
Go up. The mind way is up.
Damn! I can't do no more.
I'll let y'all control it. I just got those.
No, that shit is sparking. So why is that one red right there?
That one I'm having a problem with.
What's it doing?
Hold it. All right. Fake.
Man, that
Okay.
shit is barking.
All right, we still got to figure this one out though. This one amp wants to jump in and out of protect.
That shit working hard, boy.
Yeah, what's wrong with that amp?
I don't know. This is the one I just replaced though.
So yeah.
So I don't know. I'm gonna pull it all out. I'm gonna pull this whole thing out. You see what I'm saying? It's only this one.
What did the red light mean? It was flipping back and forth.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Jumping in and out of protect.
So the protect mode?
Yeah, it jump in and out. You know what I mean?
Man.
But then again, I ain't have my charger on. That's what was sparking right here. My charger.
So if
I don't have the right amount of juice.
That's what I'm asking.
Alternator.
So what you gotta do to get the juice up? Like
Alternator.
That?
And put my charger on. I didn't have it on.
But when you go out to a show or something,
I got a generator right there. Boom.
you bring that with you?
Take this and this with me. You see what I'm saying? Plug that up to that gas power and let it charge it. You see what I mean?
Okay.
I didn't have it on for y'all video. I was trying to catch it and start sparking. Yeah, but it started sparking.
Insane. Oh my god.
Because my charger was slipping off and I was trying to put it on.
The tweets sound good in a
Don't it?
motherfucker.
Don't it? That's 12
That's what make it
4 inches.
That's what make it even better.
12
when
4
it's all
inches.
bass, you can't hear a word. But when you hear that,
Don't it?
that shit sounds good as fuck.
Yeah, we almost started a fire. I'm gonna get it together though, G. Taking them door panels in next. That's coming up real soon.
Dog, that shit is barking.
That shit barking.
What's that amp for right there?
That's a charger. That's my little charger here.
That right there? That's not a charger. Amp, ain't it?
Well, no, that's a converter. Man, I had the Superman sign right here.
Yeah.
Plug it in to the converter right there.
Oh,
That's what run it. I got it right here. I don't know which one I'm gonna use.
that shit was insane.
That was only halfway.
And
That
Peewee,
shit
look.
was barking.
I got this Superman sign. I don't know, and I still got my original one right there.
Yeah, don't block the bass with that.
No, not that. I'm talking about this one. Yeah, that big red one gone.
This big one, yeah.
Yeah, that plugs
I
in
bet
here.
I'll make a I'll put this on a stick.
And stick it in front of the
Stick in
truck.
front of the truck. Like,
At every show.
Like every show.
Wow.
Wow.
Take a picture about that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cause man, it's that middle night right there. Dog, this shit barking.
Ain't it barking, G?
Dog, I couldn't even turn it up halfway. I was like, man. I
Yeah.
was gonna bust or something, man. That shit was banging.
All right. No, we keep it live, don't we, G?
Yeah.
We even caught it on fire trying to hook up the charger real
Feel me
fast.
coming for real. Feel me coming.
Yeah.
Had across your window. Feel me. Get rid of the hate.
The hater's gone. That's already
Get
gone.
rid of the hate. Feel me coming. Cause that mother is feel this mother coming down the street.
I was gonna do numbers never lie, G.
Man, I'm saying, feel me coming, dog. Hey, you see the truck that says feel me coming? Yeah. That shit's insane.
Ain't that hard?
Hey, you seen the special tweeters? I mean,
The door?
Those tweeters sound good, don't they?
Yeah, 12 4 inches, and then the door speakers, and then I got the 4x6s up front.
You know, I love it. You know, I'm all about the tweets.
Cut it back up on them, baby.
When I hear that tweet,
Turn the bass up. There you go, right there.
so on 12 tweets, you got the bass blockers on them. They just doing straight through.
I got an amp on them though.
Like, you know how you used to put the memories in?
Back in the day.
I'm just saying, though. That's how we used to do that.
The bass blockers on.
They doing all tweets. That's why I'm wondering, like, you said the bass blocker, they were all tweets.
Yeah, that's why I went with the 4 inches though.
Yeah.
To give us that sound
That
right there.
shit sounds
so you got
good.
right here?
Yeah, 4x6s. So I got 2 4x6s in the dash.
Pull 'em right here.
I got 2 6.5s in one of each doors.
That's the circle ones you put right there.
Oh, the little tweeters?
From the little tweet, that's what I like.
Yeah, no,
Like the
y'all.
little
What
tweet.
y'all me do? Throw a horn in the back window too?
I did a horn. Remember the horn? Remember the horn?
We old school.
Yeah,
Hey,
that
remember the horn?
That shit sound good, man.
I forgot about the Chevy light up front.
Hey, I take this motherfucker blue.
Hey,